In this video, we will set up remote access using NGINX. NGINX is used as a reverse proxy, protecting traffic over a secure SSL connection. You can use it with any dynamic DNS provider. We're using DuckDNS to keep things simple. You'll need access to your router configuration page to set up port forwarding. This method doesn't affect local access over HTTP, so you can still access Home Assistant as normal. First, we need to create a domain in DuckDNS. To do this, visit duckdns.org and create an account or login. We already have an account, so we'll move to creating the domain. In the domain section, enter the subdomain you wish to create. Click Add Domain. This will create a domain name of subdomain.duckdns.org. Once you get a message to confirm, make a note of the subdomain you created and copy the token from the top part of the screen. This should be secret, so treat it like a password. We've blurred it here. Go back to Home Assistant and click Settings, then Add-ons. Click the add-on store, then click on DuckDNS. Click Install. When it's installed, go to the Configuration tab. Click the X within the blank domain, then add the full DuckDNS domain in the Domains field. Next, paste the DuckDNS token in the Token field. Finally, to ensure Let's Encrypt can create an SSL certificate, go to the Let's Encrypt section and change Accept Terms to True. Once complete, click Save. Go to the Info tab and enable the watchdog, and if you prefer, Auto Update. Click Start. After a few seconds, go to the Log tab. Click Refresh until the certificate process is complete. Forwarding ports on your router depends on your router make and model, so you may need to Google this. However, what you're looking to do is map the external port 443 to the internal port 443 using the TCP protocol. If you prefer using another port, use this instead. To install the NGINX add-on, click the add-on store. Then click on NGINX Home Assistant SSL Proxy. Click Install. Once installed, click on the watchdog and if you prefer, Auto Update. Go to the Configuration tab. In Domain, enter your full DuckDNS domain. In the Customize section, change Active to True. Click Save. Scroll down and if your port isn't 443, change it here and click Save. Go back to the Info tab and click Start. Then go to the Log tab. Refresh until you see Running NGINX. There are some settings we need to change in Home Assistant. From the Settings menu, click System, then Network. In the Home Assistant URL section, add your domain to Internet, adding the port if not 443. Then click Save. Go to your file editor of choice and open configuration.yaml. Enter the following lines, which are also in the description below. Once entered, click the Save icon. Click Developer Tools, then check Configuration. If all is well, click Restart, then Confirm. For any add-ons with embedded web servers, such as ESPHome, you will need to add an extra configuration file to ensure this can be viewed remotely. This is an optional step. The file details are again in the description below. All file contents are also on our website, shown in the pinned comment. Navigate to the Share directory. If you can't navigate, in File Editor, disable enforce_basepath in the File Editor configuration. Once there, click to add a new file. Call the file the name shown on the screen. Once you have a blank file, paste the configuration shown. Click the Save icon. Go back to the NGINX add-on and restart it. Test by browsing to your new domain, adding the port if it's not 443. You'll be prompted to log into Home Assistant. Once logged in, you'll note the padlock icon shows. Click on the domain and change to HTTP from HTTPS. When you press enter, you'll see this change back to HTTPS. You can also continue to browse from a local connection without issue. An optional step is to enable IP ban by editing the configuration.yaml and adding a couple of lines. This will block an IP address from attempting to log in if an attacker gets a certain number of login attempts wrong, in this case 3. It's recommended as you're exposing your Home Assistant instance to the internet, and this will provide some protection. Once saved, click Developer Tools, then check Configuration. If all is well, click Restart, then Confirm. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you liked what you saw. Please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. If you'd like to support the channel, please consider becoming a patron at my Patreon. The details are below.